Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Park on level ground, put the transmission in P and set the emergency brake. Once you've removed the key fob, open the hood and expose the 12V battery. Make sure you wear gloves and eye protection. Disconnect the negative terminal first to prevent shorts, then the positive. While you're here, identify the hybrid battery service plug and note any plastic trim or covers that must be removed to reach mounting hardware. Once the terminals are disconnected and trim is removed, unbolt the hold-down brackets and lift connectors gently. Label them if you haven't already to avoid miswiring. Carefully lift the battery straight out. Do not tilt it, and use a second person if needed because it's heavy. Place the new battery in the same orientation, secure the hold-down brackets, and reconnect the terminals in reverse order. Positive first, then negative. Make sure connections are clean and tightened to the correct torque. Once the battery is secured and terminals reconnected, reinstall any trims or covers and restore the smart key to the car. Start the vehicle to verify the 12V system powers up and the hybrid system initializes. Watch the dash for warning lights and listen for unusual sounds. If a warning persists, make sure connectors are fully seated and fuses are intact, then rescan error codes. For stubborn faults, consult a dealer-level scanner.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.